mitosis. Cell being includes division of nucleus called mitosis and division of cytoplasm called cytokinesis. Mitosis is further broken down into four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase.
The first phase is called prophase. It is the longest phase of mitosis. Prophase is when chromatin begins to condense into the shape of chromosome and the nucleus disappears. The previously replicating DNA coils tightly into the sister chromatids. For the first time, you see individual chromosomes. In the center of each chromosome, a centromere attaches two sister chromatids together. Meanwhile, in the cytoplasm, spindle microtubes known as spindle fiber begins to form out from two sets of paired structures called centrioles. The spindle fiber elongate as the centrioles moving to the sides of the cell. While this is happening, the nuclear membrane disappears.
The second phase is called metaphase. During metaphase, the chromosome attached spindle fiber arrange themselves along the equator of the cell. In this way, a plate is formed called metaphase plate.
Phase is anaphase. During anaphase, the spindle fiber attack with chromosome pull towards the pole. Due to this pulling, the chromosome sister chromatid separate. Now each chromatid it is called chromosome. In this way, there are two similar set of chromatids which move towards the opposite pole of the cell.
Telophase is the final stage of mitosis. In telophase, the nuclear membrane reforms around each set of chromosomes. Then the chromosomes separate out into chromatins and the nucleus becomes visible once again.
After division of nucleus, there is cytokinesis. In animal cells, a furrow dwells in the cell membrane at the equator. The furrow moves inward. In this way, a parent cell is split into two daughter cells. Plant cell cannot pinch into because they have rigid cell wall surrounding cell membrane. Golgi apparatus makes vesicles that move to the middle and fuse to form a plate called plasmablast. The plate grows outward. The result is two daughter cells.